Say hey coach and a process title to begin.
Hey coach, remove sprinter spare tire.
The spare tire is secured by a carrier underneath the trunk of the vehicle. You need to loosen the carrier from the inside of the trunk first.
Hey coach, next.
Open the trunk doors and take and locate 2 square removable plastic covers on the floor that would have been covered by the closed door.
Hey coach, next.
Take a flathead screwdriver and carefully remove both plastic covers. You will discover 2 metal bolts underneath the covers.
Hey coach, repeat.
Take a flathead screwdriver and carefully remove both plastic covers. You will discover 2 metal bolts underneath the covers.
Hey coach, next.
Use the tire wrench to turn the bolts 20 times to the left.
Hey coach, next.
Now reach under the bumper and locate the carrier, which is secured to the vehicle by 2 safety hooks.
Hey coach, help.
Your email has been sent.
Hey coach, next.
Release the left safety hook first.
Hey coach, next.
Combine 3 handle pieces from your toolkit into 1 long handle bar.
Hey coach, next.
Slide it into the round opening on the right-hand side of the wheel carrier.
Hey coach, next.
This will be your handle to slowly lower the spare tire to the ground.
Hey coach, next.
Now release the right-hand safety hook and slowly lower the carrier with the wheel to the ground.
Hey coach, next.
At this point, you can slide the spare tire out of the wheel carrier.
Hey coach, next.
Slide the defective tire into the wheel carrier and reverse the process to secure it to the vehicle.
This process is finished. Say hey coach feedback to leave your feedback. Or say hey coach next to continue without giving feedback.
Hey coach, feedback.
Say hey coach wait 3 seconds then give your feedback.
Hey coach. Please add a step to remind people to bring a flathead screwdriver.
Your feedback was successfully recorded. Say hey coach and a process title to begin.